Hello everyone and welcome to my ServiceNow Bites. I'm Daniel and I'm with ServiceNow as an emerging practice manager for anything App Engine, Creator, Workflow type products. This series of videos I will be showing and demoing different features and capabilities of the platform as I see them being asked by my customers and partners that I work with. In this particular video, I have prepared a demo about AI agents. If you're wondering what AI agents are and what they can do, I would highly recommend a video of our ServiceNow developer advocate, Lauren, where she explains what is agentic AI and why should you care. I'll link the video up here, so go and check it out. Highly recommended. Without further ado, let's go into a ServiceNow instance and have a look what an AI agent can do, maybe even for you. So this is a ServiceNow instance that I have prepared for this demo, running the latest Yokohama release, the latest applications and plugins for Now Assist enabled. As you can see, there's a table called Movies, where I store movie information about titles, release year, and a bunch of other informations. Now, rather than maintaining the list myself, which I clearly could do, clicking the new button, typing into stuff, copy and pasting from Wikipedia, wherever I can find that, I actually want to use an AI agent to do the work for me. There are already numerous databases out in the internet that contain all the information I need. For this particular demo, I'm using the OMDB Open Movie Database, because that one has a publicly available API that I can very easily tap into. So let's trigger our AI agent by opening the Now Assist side panel, and I'll pin that so we have it a little bit bigger. And let's ask the agent to help me find information about the movie online and store it in the movie table. That's the task at hand that I actually want to do. Let's see what our agent proposes to do with that ask. We're using generative AI to parse that command that I gave into him, and then we use our internal logic to figure out what exactly can we do with that. So as part of the configuration, and I will do another video around that, how to configure it, I told the AI agent what kind of capabilities are on the platform that it can leverage. There's, for example, a flow action from an OMDB spoke that I created a while ago that goes out and searches for titles on OMDB, that searches for details on OMDB. And I created another flow that actually goes out and stores that information in ServiceNow. So the agent has now figured out, okay, we need to search for a movie. Let's ask for a title. Yes, the movie is Forrest Gump, a movie that probably everybody knows, right? So we should be able to find information about that movie very easily. Again, AI agent is parsing the information, building up the context like it still knows it needs to search for a movie. Now it knows the title for that movie, and it'll go out, and if it finds more than one movie, it should present me with a list of options to select from. If it only one movie, then we just take that information and proceed. Here we are. As mentioned, it actually found a few movies around Forrest Gump, like the one that I had in mind, the first one from 1994. But there's also like Through the Eyes of Forrest Gump, Getting Past Impossible. So there's a couple of other options out there. So it found that and it says, okay, actually that's 4 of them. We need just one. So please select one of the movies. Which one did you actually want to? And in my case, that's the first one. Movie number 1. Again, it will parse my comment, figure out which movie I meant from the list shown, and then we'll figure out what's the next step to do. Now that it knows the detail, it will present me with a summary of the information found about the movie, and then it will ask me if it's okay to save that information to ServiceNow. All right, here we come. It presents me with details about the movie from 1964. I can read all that, like it has the runtime, the rating, how many votes it has, and how many money it actually made on the box office. So it's all that information that it could find in the internet. And I didn't actually program it which of the informations I need. What I did tell him though is that there is a flow that has like 10 fields as an input to populate my table, and the AI agent will need to figure out which information belongs to which field to map it in. There was no programming done. If you want to know more details, again, look out for the next video to be coming when I show you how this has been done. Now, as a last step, I told the bot before it takes any action, it should ask me to do so if it's okay actually to do that. And that's what's happening now, right? It says, hey, the mission for the next step is that I store that information of Forrest Gump in the ServiceNow movie table. It has all the necessary details found, and it will use a tool or flow called create a movie record in ServiceNow, and if it's okay actually to proceed so. I like that confirmative step. It's an AI. AIs might make mistakes. They might hallucinate. So it's always good to have a confirmation step. You can take that out of the loop if you're confident and everything works fine. But for me, I thought that was a great idea to show that we can have that. So let's say, okay, yes, please proceed. With my last command now, it actually should take that and store the information on my ServiceNow table. Yes, here we are. The detailed information has been stored. The flow is complete. And if I now take my movie table on the left-hand side and refresh that one, we can now see that Forrest Gump is down here. That wasn't here before. And you can see it found the release date, what genre it is, the rating, IMDb rating, language, and all that kind of information. Again, I did not tell that AI agent anything about that structure of that table. I didn't tell him how to map the information from IMDb into my table. It figured it out all on its own. And that's the power of AI agents. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And look out for the next video when I show you how this has been done on the back end, what you need to configure. And as a little teaser, you don't need any line of code to do that. Isn't that amazing? Thanks, bye-bye.